Ryan here from Android Coliseum to do an unboxing of the EPOS H3 Hybrids. Now, I had reviewed the original H3s. These are my favorite for doing video conferencing. Just really comfortable cushions for your ears, a microphone that kind of puts away and turns itself off if you hit that little click. So I did a review on that before. So what the H3 Hybrids bring into it is that now it has an option for Bluetooth. So that's pretty cool. So let's unbox and find out what is really different between this or not and those things. And I'll have a full review in the next little while. So stay tuned for everything on our channel. Okay, so open up the box. A very large box, actually. So just like the H3s, here we go. We have the headset. Now I think the band is slightly different. This is more of a material than a faux leatherish kind of feel to it. Either way, feels very nice. The cushions feel exactly the same. Oh, and there is a headphone channel just like on the H3, so if you still want to use it wired, that is the option. You can use it wired. We have the boom mic, which has the on-off kind of switch there, and then we have our controls. So we have USB-C in for charging. We have power. And that's other controls here. There's the Bluetooth option. We have a volume dial. And I guess maybe the power button acts as like a play, skip, multi-functionality. So that's very nice. Okay, so I will take a look at the rest of the box, see what's in here. I'm assuming we're going to come with a charging cable, and I'm assuming we're going to come with headphone stuff. Okay, so we have our specialized jack just for the H3s, and then we have our 1/16 inch stereo connector with 4-poster, and then we have USB-A to USB-C to charge it up, and that's it. So we'll dig through, we'll find, we'll get some manuals, and we'll see how long the batteries last. What else we got in here? That's a new volume control knob, so if you don't like that style. Okay, we'll have a full review up in the next little while. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Thanks.